classes with DBT, data build tool, over 20 years of IT experience exclusively on the database platform. We assure you complete practical step-by-step training classes on Snowflake, complete data engineering stack that includes Snowflake warehouses, Snowpark, SnowSQL, stages, and Snowflake DBT data build tool with real-time projects. But what exactly Snowflake is? Snowflake is all about the cloud, big data, and warehousing environment. Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse platform that can help us to capture both live as well as historical data, a powerful data cloud operations needed for any type of AI and data science projects. Snowflake is really a preferred option for simplicity, secured, innovative, and value-added big data technologies for any IT company. With Snowflake, we can ensure streamlined data, secure data access. The main advantage of Snowflake, unified platform. It works with multiple clouds, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. Other advantage of Snowflake, AI-powered applications that can be easily designed with the Snowflake as a backend, Snowflake as a storage. Marketplace. Snowflake has good amount of data marketplace items part of our classes, and Snowflake wins the enterprise trust because of its secure data deliverables. And with Snowflake combined with DBT data build tool, we can ensure step-by-step scalable and unified data platform implementations. In our classes of Snowflake with DBT, we will be learning module 1 Microsoft or any SQL. Any SQL is okay, Microsoft or Oracle, any one SQL with queries and query tuning concepts. These are the 24 chapters we'll be working at practically, from installations to basics of SQL to architecture, schemas, imports, RDBMS concepts, joins, views, procedures, triggers, functions, rank functions, also called window functions. Very, very important when we work with Snowflake cloud activities. Joins and group by needed for Snowflake and DBT modules, subqueries and joins, triggers, automations, cascades, self-joins, data types, cursors, normal forms, and CTE, common table expressions towards query tuning. We keep in mind, number 1, our stable understanding of Snowflake and DBT. Number 2, our interview preparation. Number 3, Snowflake certification. Number 4, our day-to-day job work. Keeping in mind all these 4 factors, we will be taking the SQL module very, very cautiously, step by step with examples. After entire SQL module, we go for a case study on healthcare and one more case study on finance, banking environment. After SQL module, we proceed for Snowflake module. In Snowflake, we'll be taking from scratch, from very basic Snowflake introduction to edition. Sorry for the typo, it's Snowflake. Next, after introduction and editions, licensing options, will be taking the architecture, Snowflake databases, time travel schemas, constraints, cloning, procedures, security management, transactions, streams, audits, tasks, and partitions. We'll be learning variables, SnowSQL concepts, Snowpark, Snowflake plus PySpark concepts from scratch. We'll be learning about partitions, stages, optimizations, cloud concept, Azure external stages and snow pipes with incremental loads also called SCD, slowly changing dimension. After module 2, we'll proceed for module 3. Very important. To continue the course, we have DBT, data build tool, activities, installations, configurations, data build tool, data models and materializations, templating activities, testing and documentations. And we have something called DBC, seeds and sources, deployments, Git and CI/CD implementations, hooks, snapshots, also called data hooks, snapshots, packages, extensions, Snowflake with DBT, SQL with DBT, and end-to-end activity, DBT, Snowflake, and Power BI for analytics. From there, we go for one real-time project for your resume. In your project, you will be applying all concepts we learn in our classes from SQL to DBT, Snowflake, and Power BI integrations. In your interview, you may be asked like what you did in the latest project. Explain your project. What are the challenges you faced in the project? These takeaways are available from the course. We will make it easier, step by step, and useful with our deep dive concepts. Complete hands-on and good number of assessment activities concept-wise will be very helpful. This course will be very helpful for your career. And at the same time, for your future prospects with respect to packages, CTC packages, as well as the future-driven career strength. What more? Please join us for a live demo class. Let's understand more about this beautiful course. The complete structured course Snowflake end to end. We will do slowly step by step with detailed practice, detailed assignments, concept wise, project work for your resume. We will be guiding you for your resume and job placements. Everything part of the course, the job guidance and placement assistance. We will be guiding you for the Snow Pro certification also. Detailed guidance and sample material including certification dumps part of this beautiful complete course. We'll see you there in the live demo class. Please sign up for the live demo and thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much once again.